Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate offers on eBay listing. As you know, like activating offers will really help you get more sales on eBay. Now, if you just list a product without offers, like some people, they don't want to pay like the full price. They want to negotiate with you, so they will send you their offers, and if you like the offer, then you can accept it, and you will be able to receive a notification that you have accepted their offer, and then you will pay after that. Now that's exactly what I do, guys. Most of the time I just add offers to all the listings I have listed on my eBay store, because I really noticed a big difference after you add offers on eBay. Now before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video, and let's get started right now. Now first thing you need to do, guys, first you want to go to my eBay. First you will have to go to Seller Hub. So just search on Google just open your browser and search for Seller Hub eBay, okay, and then click on it. It will take you guys directly to Seller Hub. After that, you want to click on my eBay in the top, and then click on selling. After, guys, you click on selling, click on listing, and then click on active listing here. And that's it. Here you will find all your listing. Because I didn't list any product on this, I just removed all the listing on this eBay. So you will find here all your listing. Click on edit. You will see a button that says edit. Now after you click on edit, I'm going to show you guys what you need to do next. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what you guys need to do next. I'm going to try to list a random item here, and I'm going to add an offer to it. It will take you guys, after you click on edit, it will take you directly to this page. Now after that, you want to scroll down. Okay, just scroll down a little bit. Here you will find a button that says offers. Okay, so it says here, okay, see pricing options, that this product has different variations. That's why they are not allowing me to that's why they are not allowing me to add offers. Keep in mind that a product with different variations, you will not be able to add offers to that product. Okay, so that's the problem here. All right, now as you can see, guys, here if you scroll down, as you can see, it says here allow offers. Buyers interested in your item can make your offers. You can accept or decline. Now that's exactly what you need to do. You want to just toggle this on, as you toggle this button off. I'm sorry, on. And after you toggle it off, hit the minimum offer. So if the add the amount below the minimum offer will be declined automatically. For example, if the minimum offer you want to accept is $20, but the entered $19, the offer will be automatically declined. I to accept means if they enter this price, for example, you are selling the product for $40, but they entered $37, it's going to be automatically accepted, and you will be able to pay immediately. They are not going to wait for you to accept their offer. Okay, hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So after you add here the offer, then that's it. You just need to list the product here, click on list it, and that's it. Now people will be able to send now offers to you. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.